Sounds like the real nephew contender. I was just told before we started, before I came on, that there's a gold medal in Tokyo waiting for me. So Jamaica's boxing team will be on the flight to Tokyo for Olympics 2020. And this young man is a part of the team, he says. They call him Musafa. Janathan Hanson. Morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Great to see you.
Thank you for having me.
Gold medal waiting for you.
Definitely, man. Definitely. There's no doubt about it.
Where is this confidence coming from?
Well, my training and all the things I've been through and how hard I work. I've been to other qualifyings and I see the competition, and now I feel I'm at the level where the preparation is right, the training's right, everything is right, and it's just my time.
But you haven't qualified yet?
No, I haven't qualified yet.
What you need to do?
There's two tournaments, qualifying tournaments. There's one in Argentina and one in Paris in May. Either one of those qualifying, with the blessing of the boxing board, I will go and secure my place at the 2020 Olympics.
And what you need to do? Win it, or if it's... How many from the region would go?
For the first qualifying is 5, so the first 5. So that's the first 5, and then the second tournament is the first 4. So that's first, second, third, and fourth out of everybody else.
So that's 9 overall?
9 overall.
And all 9 will end up in the Olympic Games?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What weight category?
Middleweight. 165 pounds.
165?
165 pounds.
You know I'm 160?
Yeah? I don't believe you, man. You look like 100.
What's that, man? Stand up.
Good. And I take off shirt.
No, because I don't want you to think it's my jacket why I look so big and strong.
Tell me
Stand up beside me. So this man bigger than me?
Yeah, man, look on the shoulder, man. I the shirt, man. I chew it pink. I the pink shirt. Yeah.
He is bigger than me?
Yeah, man, definitely. Look,
and I look like 100 and you look...
All right. Go so. Yeah.
Vietnam, man.
What? Go on again. You sure?
You have more muscle, but you're not bigger than me, you, man. As a matter of fact, we can prove this right now, you know.
Yeah.
I can't take the... Is that? Calm down. Relax, little bit. Do you know who you're coming up against?
In Argentina, it will be the best of the Americas, being North, South, and Caribbean.
So that's our region. The Americas would be our region.
The region. And in the one in May, it'll be the world. So it'd be everybody else that hasn't qualified, they will have that second chance to qualify at that tournament. So
but individually, you have any idea who you will be coming up against?
I have an idea because I faced Colombia, Cuba, Brazil. These are the top guys in my weight category that I know that I would have to face, like the US. People that I've faced before that are on my radar and I'm on their radar.
How soon do you know whether you qualify or not? When are these tournaments?
Well, the first one is in March.
Okay.
And the second one is in May. Okay. So as soon as those tournaments finish, decisions made.
What kind of training you do? Every day? For how long? And you spar and you run hills and sands and stuff like that?
I try to do everything. Preparation is the key. Preparation is the key, and that's the stage that we're at now. I train with balancing work and school. I try to train 5 times a week. So I try to train every single day. But you know the balance is, so some days I miss
When
out.
you say balancing work and school, I know about your school. You're doing law. Final year before you go to Norman Manley. Congrats on that one.
Thank you.
When you say work as in boxing, or you have a 9 to 5?
I actually have a 9 to 5 job.
So you have a 9 to 5, you go to school, and you train boxing.
Yeah, man.
Me tired. I'm tired just thinking about that.
I'm tired too, man.
Tell me a day. Tell me a day when you train, work, and go school.
I can tell you about today. So today, after the interview, I head straight to work for the next 4 to 5 hours. Then at about 1 o'clock, I leave. I go to stadium, and I do a 3-hour training session. Leave there, go back to work, do another 4 hours. Then leave there, do another training session. Then I rest up for the next day.
Go on, sleep.
It's ambition, man. It's ambition and determination.
Where does the drive come from?
Well, it comes internally, but it's my support system. I have a lot of people, like my wife, my coach, that believes in me. So at times when everything becomes overwhelming, they're the one that helps me to push through and tell me, you can do it, because I do a lot.
Right.
So in my eyes, it doesn't seem a lot. So when I do have that support, it helps me to say, all right, yes, you can do it and you can
Fantastic.
go
Let's talk now about you becoming a lawyer.
through. Yes.
And you want to be a judge.
Yes, definitely.
Why?
Well, I think the main aim is to eventually become Chief Justice.
Chief Justice.
Chief Justice.
Of
'Cause
Jamaica.
definitely. I believe in that position. I see that where in the legal system a lot of changes should be made to affect the people, the overall Jamaican people, that would better up the legal system.
Yeah. Why did you choose law in the first place?
I just like law.
You think you'd be a better lawyer than a boxer?
I'm not sure, no. I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll see, because I'm sure I achieve both of them, but it's a passion. It's a passion for both of them. I love law and I love boxing, so it's something that I put
So
together.
I already said this year, last year, before you go to Norman Manley, then how many years after that?
2 years.
So
2 years.
in 3 years, you have to take the bar exam.
Yeah.
And then you'll be... If the bar exam, you pass the bar exam in Jamaica, that allows you to practice anywhere in the world? Or if you go to the States, you have to pass another bar
You
exam?
have to pass another bar exam.
So every country you go to, they have their own...
Yeah, every region, because we have different legal systems. So you'd have to basically qualify for each legal system or prove to the region that you are capable of actually practicing within that
What kind
region.
of law?
I haven't chosen yet, but I think the most appropriate right now with the current situation of Jamaica is criminal law. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, for some strange reason, well, not some strange reason, I just have a whole lot of faith in you. I love your confidence. And I'm certain you're going to be in the Olympics.
I'm certain too, man.
I'm certain you're going to be a big
I'll prove you right.
I'm certain you're going to be the Chief Justice.
Thank you,
I'm just positive.
Much appreciated.
I just like your aggression, but not aggression as in boxing aggression, but your whole assertiveness, good word, Richard, towards what you're doing.
Thank you,
I'm impressed.
Much appreciated.
And I pray that it will work.
Thank you.
I never want to embarrass you. So
not at all.
Get up and thump you. But
you know, I did tell people, say, I'm afraid to never get up me down on TV.
I'm afraid.
So it's a
worse because him do so much thing, I'm tired, and people can say I take advantage of it.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
Yeah.
I would still like to put it on because I want to punch down somebody else in here.
Yes.
But not the great and fantastic Mufasa. Where you get that name from?
It was actually given to me from an African friend. I went to the World Championships in 2013, and we was in the hotel with all the African teams, all the Jamaican teams. And at the end of the camp, they told me I was a leader, so I needed a name, African name. And that's the name that they gave me.
You know the meaning?
It means king.
King?
King.
Mufasa. I like it.
I like it too.
I didn't know. You could have hello me till tomorrow morning. I didn't know. Lion King. Yeah, but I didn't know. I see all of them. I see the three of them. I still never know. Mufasa. Yeah, Jody tells me, as always, Mufasa. I love it. I love it. Did you know that that's how we got the name Reggae Boys also, with the Z? The national team went to Africa, and at the airport there was a huge sign that says, "Welcome Reggae Boys." That's how we got the name. So, and he went to Africa, and he get Mufasa. I'm not going to punch him down, so we're not going to do it. We're going to go for a break.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Much appreciated.
God bless. And just do what you have to do. Mufasa, the king, Janathan Hanson. Stay with us. Sim is checking out some fashion on the other side of the break. Soon come.